What is going on, guys? In this video tutorial I will show you how you can download the Cupidabo for iOS devices. It works for any iOS devices. It works for iPhones and iPads. So I've got the Cupidabo right here on my iPhone and it is fully working app. So right now I will open it and I will show you that it is working. So right now it is loading. It may take a couple of seconds to load, but it is fully working Cupidabo app for an iOS devices. So let's wait. Okay, so it is loaded right now. As you can see, I can register by email, by Google, by Facebook. So I've got this Cupidabo for iOS on the cool site that I found recently. As you can see right here, this is made by bluedeals.app, and you can find there the Cupidabo for iOS. So it is fully working for any iOS devices, including iPads and iPhones. So yeah, that is the easiest way to get Cupidabo for iOS on this site. So you will find there a tutorial how to download this app. It is very easy. It only takes 2 to 3 minutes. So that will be all for this video. This is the Cupidabo for iOS, the coolest app for the iOS. So thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and bye.